everybody. Today we're going to make a little chocolate ganache. We're going to flavor it with Kahlua. You all probably remember from lecture that ganache means to stretch, so this is stretched chocolate. An easy basic formula to remember for ganache is that it is equal parts chocolate to a high-fat liquid. This is heavy cream, and we're going to flavor it with Kahlua. We're going to use this to flavor your Italian buttercream for the mocha mousse cake. So I have my calettes equal weight to my cream. I've gone 34 ounces, and I'm bringing my cream up to a really high temperature. Can you see the steam? You could even bring it to a simmer, or as long as you catch it before a boil, and then all you do is turn it off, pour it over your calettes, give your calettes a whisk, and let the heat of that cream do the rest of the work. You can even at this point walk away from it and then come back after about 5 minutes and give it a stir. You can flavor ganache with anything. Raspberry, coffee, almond. You can see as it starts to emulsify here, it becomes this beautiful, smooth mixture. Ganache can be used for a lot of things. As it cools, it gets thick. You can make truffles out of it. You can ice with it. You can melt it back down and enrobe cakes with it. But look at this pretty, shiny ganache. And that, once I add my flavoring, is how you make ganache.